chatting to this lady on TikTok, and they were talking about flights and like dangerous flights, but also not dangerous, like the most risky flights, right? And I was looking up some stuff on some of these forums, and there's this video posted, and it looked real funny from the start because the guy kind of like you'll see kind of like almost like does a 3-point turn to get maximum runway, right? I thought, oh, this is going to be good. So I started watching it. I'm just going to watch it now. Yes, apparently it's Russian, so this is why we don't fly Aeroflot, right? And it doesn't fly to the UK anymore, because it's all these like, look at the tiny engines in this massive plane, right? And look how weird the fuselage shape is. It's just, oh my god, it's like Swan Lake or something. Right, I don't think it's going to be like Swan Lake, but let's have a look at this. Oh my god, he's gone off the runway.
Heading right 180. Contact approach 12.5.9 airborne. Clear for takeoff.
He's wiggling around, alright, okay, lining it up.
Heading right 180.
Right, here he goes, one light on, great.
The vodka burner is rolling.
We have Smirnoff.
Don't do that, I'll shake the camera.
Oh my fucking god, Australians. Come on! Put your fucking foot down! Oh my fucking god, he's doing about 30 miles an hour.
That, Captain.
Come on! Oh my
If I can
fucking
hear it
god.
like that in here.
Fucking lift it!
Yeah, you can lift it up any time you like.
Yeah, we do.
Come on!
Jesus Christ.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking
Well, if I
god.
didn't see it, I
Clear
wouldn't
the
have
fucking fir tree, mate! Oh my fucking god.
I didn't know that road at the moment.
That's unbelievable.
What the fuck?
That
Is he
is
gonna clear the
unbelievable.
mountains? Oh my fucking god. Get it up, mate!
Not over yet.
No, it is not.
Oh my fucking
And
god.
I'm
Come
running out of film,
on!
Joe. I've got enough to film the crash. I shouldn't say that even in joke, should I? That's, okay, well that will be worth copying.
Holy shit. Okay, so that's why we didn't fly Aeroflot, right? Right, okay, good. Enjoy! Bye! Ah!